So if you're going to put your drone in the baggage compartment, which I don't know why you would, because you're going to get banged around and thrown around and stuff like that, no spares. Okay, but you could put it in there, and that could be in your drone, but I would not do that. I'm going to carry it with me. Okay, carry it with me. I can take 2 spares plus the 1 battery in the drone, but I only use 2 batteries. Okay, I don't need a third one. So for right now. So with that said, I should be all right. But then again, the note down here says, note, TSA security rules prohibits, well, that's not what I'm looking for. I'm just looking at it. The TSA officer has final say. So we will do that. And this is what I'm looking at right now is based on U.S. DOT regulations. TSA security, individual airlines, and international rules may at times be more restrictive. So that's what I'm reading right now of that. But according to the FAA rules, again, as long as it's under 100 watt hours per battery, it's gonna get sticky when you're going bigger on the watt hours, because we're talking 101 to 160 watt hours per battery, which means you're flying a pretty big drone here, probably a commercial type drone with 5 or 6 motors that are running this. So I don't want to get too caught up in this, but according to this, that's where we sit. So looks like we should be in good shape as long as everything is under the 100 watt hours. And I'm just not sure. It doesn't say anything about whether they're fully charged or discharged, but it might look better if it was discharged a little bit, you know. And definitely, I'm getting some electrical tape. I'm going to cover the connectors on it. So anyway, thanks for watching. This has been a little bit of a education, hopefully for all of us here. And I do recommend that you go back through. Everything here appears to be, well, even that says September 2016. So let's see if I can find something a little bit newer. Hold on. And permitted and prohibited items. Let's see. Transporting a drone. Let's see what that says. Transporting a drone. That's what it does. Oops. Sorry, no results found at this time. Try entering a few broader terms. So you're right back to battery. Basically battery transportation. And then just going to come back again saying that it has to be under you know, the 100 watt hours. So that's basically where we're at. Yes, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, and definitely share. And I want to send out kudos and appreciation for kicking me off in the right direction here was Jim Harmer of Improved Photography. So check out his website. He's done many flights with his drone. So he has tips and ideas, tips that have helped him get through TSA and on the airplane with success without having his anything confiscated. So check out his website, or should I say his channel at Improved Photography, and that's Jim Harmer. Okay, so references that I use was, and those are TSA.gov, and the other one is FAA.gov.